Hello and welcome to my channel. Are your project meetings dragging for a long time? Are your project meetings not giving you outcome? Don't worry, you're not alone, but it doesn't have to be that way. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the process of running a very effective project management meeting. If you're a project manager, aspiring project manager, practicing project manager, this video is for you. It is very apparent that as a project manager, you're able to run effective meetings. Why? In most projects, a project manager is always chairing the meetings. So if you're chairing the meetings and you don't know how to run them effectively, you will not achieve what you want to achieve in that meeting. So I'm going to take you through step by step with different sections on how you should run your meetings effectively if you're a project manager. So let's get started. So the last section or the last expectation when you're running project meetings effectively is you should be able to wrap up or to close the meeting. So how do you wrap up? You need to recap on the main activities. You need to recap on the main points. You need to recap on the main decisions. You also need to recap on the next steps. That is the best practice of running a project. And also allow for questions and clarifications. People are different. There are some who are very quick to understand and appreciate the discussion. There are some who will take long, and then later on, once they manage to figure out what has been discussed, they might have clarifications or questions. Allow yourself to accommodate different characters, different behaviors, or even different people from different parts of the world. They are also different. So once you allow yourself to accommodate, by the time you're going to ask for clarifications towards the end of the meeting, don't restart the meeting. Clarify, especially for the points which are not very clear to the members. Because the intention is not for you to show off that you know something. The intention is to make sure that every participant of the meeting is appreciating the goal of the meeting and also was also engaged, or if there's something which was not clear, you also clarify before they leave the meeting. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe button, so that you're the first person to be notified each time a new video is uploaded on this channel. The second part is to make sure that you confirm if there's going to be any follow-up meeting. Like what I normally do, assuming I have a meeting in the morning, around 10, for example, mid-morning, and there are some action items I expect to be completed the same day. I normally request for either 2 or 3 p.m. I call it checkpoint meeting, just to see what we agreed in the morning. How is the team performing towards the closure of those items? You need to make sure that it's done. If you just leave it, there's no follow-up meeting. Maybe it's something that has to be done in 2 weeks. You wait for 2 weeks, you'll be shocked. After 2 weeks, nothing has been done. So it's better to always have some follow-up meetings, especially on most of the important activities you need in the project. Then the last part of it is you should always end the meeting in a positive note and also in a decisive position. I normally do that. Every meeting, I have to make sure that people, they accept, they appreciate why they were in a meeting. They also accept and appreciate that the meeting was not time wasting. So you need to clarify. Remember, we said you need to summarize. You also need to clarify that we were in this meeting and our intention was to achieve or to make this decision. This is the decision that we have taken in this meeting. So from the meeting, this is the takeaway. That is very important to end a meeting. Don't end a meeting in such a way that people, I've seen some cases where even some project managers will end a meeting. No one knows the meeting has ended. People are still there online, or people are still sitting physically. So end it in a positive note, in a decisive way, and also communicate to the team that the meeting has ended. We'll meet again on a certain date, like that. If you want me to do another additional video based on what we have discussed earlier in terms of how to effectively run a project meeting, or you have any questions or clarifications, let me know in the comment section below.